The Amazon Echo Show 15 is like a fancy smart picture frame with a big screen. It's a bit like having a small TV on your wall, but it can do much more. 1. Big screen for your wall. This device has a large screen, so it's like a big picture frame that you can hang on your wall. It's perfect for displaying your favorite photos, artwork, or even information like the weather and calendar. 2. Talk to it. You can talk to the Echo Show 15 and it will listen. Just say, "Hey Alexa," and then ask it anything you want. It can answer questions, play music, or even control other smart devices in your home. 3. Video calls. You can use this device to make video calls to your friends and family. It's like having a video chat on a big screen. 4. Watch shows and movies. You can watch your favorite TV shows and movies on it. Just ask Alexa to play something, and it will show up on the screen. 5. Cooking helper. If you like cooking, this device can help you with recipes. It will show you step-by-step instructions on the screen. 6. Smart home control. You can use it to control other smart devices in your home, like turning off the lights or adjusting the thermostat. 7. Photo slideshow. You can set it to display a slideshow of your photos. It's a great way to enjoy your memories. 8. News and weather. You can ask it for the latest news and weather updates. It will show you the information on the screen. 9. Reminders and alarms. You can set reminders and alarms with your voice. It will remind you of important things. 10. Simple setup. Setting it up is easy. Just plug it in, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and follow the on-screen instructions. 11. Privacy settings. You can control your privacy. You can turn off the microphone and camera whenever you want. In simple words, the Amazon Echo Show 15 is a big, smart screen that hangs on your wall. You can talk to it, watch shows, make video calls, and use it for all sorts of things. It's like a helpful friend on your wall that can do lots of things for you. Plus, you can control your privacy, so you're in charge.